Ready to ditch the chaos and finally conquer your goals? In this video, I'll show you how to build a powerful habit tracker in Notion, so you can monitor your progress, stay motivated, and achieve anything you set your mind to. First, open a new page in Notion and give it a title like Habit Tracker. Then, click the plus button and select Database Inline. This will be the foundation of our tracker. Notion automatically creates some default columns. Let's rename the name column to Habit. Now, click the plus button again to add new properties. These will represent the days of the week. Choose the checkbox property type for each day. Name them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. Great! Now you have all the days of the week as columns. Start adding your desired habits as rows. For example, read for 30 minutes, exercise, or meditate. As you complete your habits each day, simply check the corresponding boxes. This visually tracks your progress. To get a better overview, you can group your database by weeks or months. Use the group function and select created time, and then choose your desired interval. For extra motivation, add a progress bar. Create a formula property and use the formula to calculate the percentage of completed habits for the week. And that's it. You've successfully built a habit tracker in Notion. Now you can easily track your progress, stay motivated, and achieve your goals. Good luck!